The jet thingy has a super delay on the. Oh, that kind of sucks. Ah, well. Oh, it's not showing on the screen. Oh well. Wait, do I have to do this again? I wanted to get the joke on the screen. Okay, fine. Let's see this. All those weird little screens. Okay, cool. Let's go back into our character. What were we doing? We were giving him a suit. I feel like that needs to be a lot lighter if it's... Kind of looks like the thing you give babies. A bib. Still looks like a baby. Man. Don't know if this makes it better or worse, but... Wait, shouldn't we just extrude this out? Or in? In seems more logical. Oh wait, don't... We're not gonna do that. Okay, that doesn't work. Kinda hoped it did. It's still looking like a baby. Gotta find out why. Why? I mean, he's supposed to look like a businessman. Now he's... Wait, let's give him a tie. Maybe that's it. Maybe he needs a tie, right? Maybe that will make him a less of a here we go. See, now he has a tie. Now he's more a businessman. This is better. We also have to get that around there. Now we have to make this bottom part, except for that one. See, we got another one of those weird little things inside here. Let's make that white. See, that's better. Wait, what happens if we just make that tight color? Nah, it needs to be white, so it's like it's folded on there. And actually it needs to be the other way around. This needs to be white, and then this one needs to be red because, well, the tie is folded under there, so I don't want to. Let's see.